Nerve damage is caused by an unhealthy diet, lack of exercise, and traumatic injuries, amongst others. Prolonged treatment is often needed because nerves heal slowly. However, it can be tremendously helped by eating healthy, anti-inflammatory food. In this video, we will be showing you some of the best food for nerve damage repair. Nerves are essential for the normal functioning of the body. They transmit messages from the brain to other parts of the body, keeping the entire body as a massive network of signals. Nerve damage is caused by deep cuts and tears. Accidental injuries during surgeries called iatrogenic injuries can also damage nerves. When nerves are damaged, the patient develops problems in sensation, stimuli response, and movement. Nutrition plays an important role in nerve damage repair, thus consuming food rich in nutrients like vitamin B and magnesium is recommended. Here are the best foods for nerve damage repair. 1. Salmon. The high omega-3 fat of salmon makes it excellent for treating nerve damage. Omega-3 fats repair the myelin sheath, which covers nerve fibers, protecting nerves from injury. Unlike other fatty acids like trans fat and saturated fat, omega-3 is beneficial to the body. 2. Broccoli. Many people dislike the taste of broccoli. However, it would be wise to start eating broccoli because it is extremely effective in treating nerve damage. Broccoli contains glucosinolates, a compound that minimizes the breakdown of an important neurotransmitter called acetylcholine. Neurotransmitters are chemicals produced in the brain and used to regulate biological processes like respiration and digestion. Low acetylcholine levels have been associated with Alzheimer's disease. The vegetable is also a great source of vitamin B and vitamin K. Whilst vitamin B aids in the circulation of neurotransmitters in the body, vitamin K is linked to good cognitive skills and sharp memory. 3. Eggs. Choline, which is used by the body to make acetylcholine, is found in eggs. A team of Boston University researchers found out that daily consumption of eggs would result in sharp memory. Eggs are also rich in vitamin B. 4. Avocado. Avocados have the highest protein-to-sugar ratio of any fruit. Packed with good fats like omega-3 fatty acids, the sumptuous fruit aids in maintaining the myelin sheath covering nerve fibers. It is also rich in vitamin K and folate, and both nutrients help prevent blood clots, which can lead to stroke and heart attack. 5. Pumpkin seeds. Magnesium is one of many nutrients that can be gotten by eating pumpkin seeds. A vital nutrient needed for better memory and brain power, low magnesium levels can cause migraines and epilepsy. Pumpkin seeds also contain copper, which promotes nerves control, and zinc, which is essential for nerve signaling. 6. Celery. Celery is one of the best food for nerve damage repair. It is an excellent source of nervine, a compound that soothes nerve pains and helps restore nerves to their previous functional state. Drinking celery and potato juice, or celery and carrot juice, is known to alleviate sciatic nerve pains. 7. Fruits. One fruit a day keeps the damage away. This sums up the active role of fruits in repairing damaged nerves. Fruits like oranges, watermelons, and cherries are loaded with antioxidants. These compounds help eliminate free radicals which damage cells' tissues. They also lower the risk of chronic inflammation, which not only damages nerves, but increases the chances of developing complications like stroke, diabetes, heart disease, and atherosclerosis. Although consuming processed food and eating outdoors may seem a better option for a busy lifestyle, homemade meals and natural ingredients are both safe and healthier. A healthy diet greatly increases the chance of repairing damaged nerves and even preventing damage. Avoid trans fats and seed oils such as grapeseed oil, canola oil, and sunflower seed oil. Also, keep away from sweeteners like aspartame, which can intensify nerve pain. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on best vitamins and supplements for your nerves. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.